Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna. First, choose high-quality, fresh tuna, such as albacore or yellowfin. Clean the fish thoroughly and cut it into pieces that fit well into your canning jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This preparation is crucial for a safe and delicious end product. Ensure your workspace is clean and sanitized before you begin. Next, carefully pack the raw tuna pieces into your clean, hot canning jars. You'll want to fill them, leaving 1 inch of headspace from the rim. If you like, add 1/2 teaspoon of canning salt to each pint jar for enhanced flavor. Remember, there's no need to add any liquid, as the tuna will release its own delicious juices during the canning process, creating a natural and rich broth. Now, it's time for the crucial pressure canning step. Place your filled jars onto the rack in your pressure canner, ensuring there are 2 to 3 inches of hot water in the canner. Secure the lid and bring the canner to a boil. Once steam vents steadily for 10 minutes, add the weighted gauge. Process pint jars for 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, adjusting for your altitude. After processing, let the pressure canner cool completely and naturally before opening. This can take several hours. Once cooled, carefully remove the jars and let them sit undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours to fully seal. Check seals, then label and store your homemade canned tuna in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your delicious, preserved tuna for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.